Mas kalma, mas malinaw, real talk sa emotions at clarity. Kalma ka muna before you reply, before you react, before you decide. Bakit? Because the calmer you are, the clearer you think. And when you're calm, you respond, not react. You choose wisely. You move intentionally. Hindi ka napapaikot ng emosyon mo. Welcome to the Change for the Better channel. Part 1. When emotions take over. Kapag galit tayo, minsan nakakapanakit tayo, hindi lang ng iba, kundi pati ng sarili natin. Kapag nalulungkot tayo, minsan gumagawa tayo ng impulsive decisions na pagsisisihan natin kinabukasan. Kapag natatakot tayo, minsan we don't even try. We stop. We self-sabotage. Lahat ng iyan ay normal bilang tao. Pero tandaan mo, emotions are valid, but they're not always accurate. Your feelings are not facts. Hindi porket takot ka, ibig sabihin wala ka nang magagawa. Hindi porket nasaktan ka, kailangan mong gumanti. You don't need to react to everything. You don't need to respond right away, because reaction is instant. Intention takes awareness. Part 2. Why calm is clarity. Kapag kalma ka, mas nakikita mo ang buong picture. You hear what is really being said. Hindi lang yung tone. You understand what's behind the situation. Hindi lang yung trigger. That's why calm people are powerful. Hindi dahil hindi sila nasasaktan, kundi dahil hindi sila pinapaikot ng emosyon nila. They feel their feelings, but they don't let their feelings drive the wheel. Remember, kalma doesn't mean weak. Kalma means focused. And in a world full of noise, panic, and pressure, calm is your competitive edge. Part 3. Move with intention, not emotion. Pag nag-decide ka dahil sa pressure, kadalasan sablay. Pag sumagot ka dahil galit ka, kadalasan may masisira. Pero kapag nagdesisyon ka ng kalmado ka na, kapag ginamit mo ang utak at hindi lang puso, mas may direction. Mas may sense. Mas may growth. Moving with intention means, alam mo kung bakit mo ginagawa ang isang bagay. Hindi ka sumusunod sa crowd, you stay grounded. Hindi ka driven ng ego, you're driven by purpose. It means, you don't just speak to be heard, you speak to make peace. You don't just act to prove, you act to build. You don't just move fast, you move forward. Part 4. Real life application. The next time na gusto mong mag-walk out, the next time na may gusto kang i-post out of anger, the next time na may gusto kang patulan, pause. Breathe. Wait 10 seconds. Balikan mo ang tanong na ito. Am I reacting or am I responding? Is this coming from emotion or from intention? Because sometimes, the strongest move is stillness. The most powerful reply is silence. The most meaningful action is a well-thought decision. Kalma is your power. Intention is your compass. And when you put the two together, you lead your life instead of being led by it. If this message helped you, pause and reflect today. Like this video. Comment. Kalma is power below. And subscribe for more weekly Tagalog content that feeds your mind and protects your peace.